Are you here to know how to earn $30K in 1 month? Then you have come to the right place. Yes, you can make $30K in 1 month by following few tips and making some setting for your Etsy shop. So, in this video, I will share 5 important tips for generating high revenue on Etsy. Make sure you watch the full video, otherwise you will not get the trick to generate more sales. But first, if you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1. Select correct product for your shop. Selecting the appropriate item is crucial before you begin your Etsy journey. You should choose a product that is in high demand and will appeal to the type of customers you want to attract. Your product should be high in demand but low in competition. For example, if you decide to sell t-shirts as your product, you will ultimately lose your motto. Let's look at this. If I type in t-shirt in the search field, you can see that there are a massive 8 million results. And your product will increase this number by 4 too. If you decide to sell t-shirts, your product will be among those results and will never be on the front page of Etsy. So choose a product that is unique with low competition rather than something really generic. For example, you can decide to sell customized tumblers for couples. As you can see, there are only 5.4K results, which is extremely low, and you can easily rank your product on the first page of search results in this niche. Number 2. Add more listings. Yes, you have to add more listings to your shop. If you only have 2 to 5 products listed, nobody will buy anything from you. Imagine that you are shopping for clothes and there are only 2 or 3 options available. Will you purchase it? Absolutely not. Similar to that, you must offer the buyer a range of options on this marketplace. Start off with at least 20-30 products so that customers who visit your shop can potentially find what they're looking for. Number 3. Add review to your shop. You must include reviews in your shop if you want to establish its credibility, because nobody wants to be the first to risk buying something from a new shop. Thus, you must either purchase the first few products yourself in order to provide reviews, or invite family and friends to purchase items from your shop and leave reviews online. When you get 5 to 6 reviews on your shop, people may believe that the product is reaching the customer and that you are a genuine buyer. Also, the Etsy algorithm pushes products to more buyers if your shop gets more ratings. Number 4. SEO. When selling on Etsy, it's important to optimize your shop for search engine optimization. Optimizing your shop for SEO helps you appear in more searches and therefore make more sales. Here are a few tips you can follow to do SEO. First, use good quality images. Having high quality images of your products can help make them stand out from the competition and attract more buyers. Product images are often the first thing a customer sees and helps them determine if they want to purchase an item or not. Professional-looking product photos make it easier to showcase the features and benefits of an item and make your shop look more professional. If you don't have much experience taking photos or sell drop shipping goods, you can use a mock-up generator from any print-on-demand company. If you use their services, you'll get high-quality mock-ups. Moreover, you may try websites like Placeit or Creative Fabrica's mock-up generator. I'll add the link in the description area so you can check it out. Second, title. Pick a title for your shop that is appealing and will attract consumers in. Also, avoid stuffing your title with keywords because it is a myth that doing so can increase your reach. Avoid doing that since the Etsy algorithm will become confused by your use of too many keywords and will fail to promote your product to the appropriate customers. To help the Etsy algorithm understand what your product is about, you should always use no more than 2 to 3 keywords in your title. Third, tags. Your keyword placement should be done here. Etsy allows you to add 13 tags, and you must add every single one of them. Always include tags and phrases like personalized tumbler rather than adding terms like tumblers, couples, custom, because doing so will waste your keyword count. Fourth, description. When writing product descriptions for SEO, you'll want to focus on making them keyword-rich, informative, and appealing. It's important to use the same keywords throughout your listing that customers may use when searching for items. This will help them find your listing more easily. You should also aim to use words that are more detailed and descriptive, as they will give potential buyers a better idea of what they're getting. Number 5. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is an essential part of selling on Etsy. Social media can help you reach a larger audience, generate interest in your products, and increase sales. Pinterest has a similar audience to Etsy. You can use it to promote your product. You can get a sizable audience via Pinterest if you consistently share your pins there. Or you can use Instagram, which is becoming more and more popular for Reels. If you make Reels about your products, you'll be able to expand your audience and increase sales. Guys, nobody can predict how many sales you will make in a month. It all depends on the amount of effort you put in. I hope this video has helped you understand how to make more sales on Etsy using these methods. If you work hard, you'll undoubtedly make $10K or more every month.